Hello, and today we're going to talk about various ways to make sure that you get your seams straight when you're sewing. And there's actually a couple of different ways that you can do it. They make a magnetic seam guide that you can put down on your machine that as you're sewing will hold your fabric in a certain position. So this is one way that you can do. You can get it where you want it, and you can just sew. And as you can see, it's going to make sure that your seam is nice and even. Another way is, and as you can see, that is a strong magnet. Some people don't like to use them on their computerized machines, but as long as it's not over there by the screen or the computer part, I don't think there's going to be an issue with it. Talk to your dealer first if you have any concerns. Another one is a different foot. It's called the edge guide foot. And usually it will adjust in or out so that you can determine, how far you want your edge to be. So let's put this one on here. I'll take my thread back. I've got it set to a width. And I'm going to actually move my needle over to the left to make it a little bit wider. Oops. And the edge of the fabric just rides right along next to this plastic guide here. This is good for like doing your top stitching. You can make it narrower or wider. Great to do on your hems of your t-shirts. That way you get a consistent straight stitch there as well. So explore some of the feet that you have with your machines. This is a foot for the Janome Skyline S7 or the Skyline series that are the 9mm machines. I know they have this for other machines as well. The 7mm, I'm pretty sure that Baby Lock has them for their machines and stuff. So just play around with your feet that you buy, or experiment with some of the ones that your dealer may have that you're interested in, and hopefully your dealer will at least show you how to use it before you purchase. So that's one foot that you can use and will help to make sure that you do get your straight seams. We will talk to you later. Bye.